Hey guys, Gamer Ninja here. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an Iron Man suit calling system, just like in Iron Man Battlegrounds and games like that. So what you want to do, you want to open up Roblox Studio and you want to click New Project. You can do base plate. I'm going to do base plate. I've never tried this one. I'm going to do base plate. My top might be cut off a little because that's why I cropped it. My board thing, so like, yeah. Hey, that doesn't matter. Can get rid of script recovery. You can need explore. Oh, oops. Alright, hold up. Okay, I had to go add it back. Where is it? Okay, there we go. Okay, I guess property can go down there. Okay, why is it acting up? Whatever. Oh, hang on. Sorry, it's taking really long. My fault, guys. Anyway, so we're just gonna set up the whole thing first. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go over to replicated storage. And we're just gonna click plus, and we're gonna add a folder and call it events. And then what we're gonna do is in that events folder, we're gonna create a remote event and call it send suit. And that's the replicated storage. And then in the and then in server storage, we're gonna create another folder called suits. And then we're gonna add the suit. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to the toolbox, search up Iron Man, and then this one, you're gonna take this one, put it right there, default iron, rename it to suit, put that in the suits folder. We're gonna take it out later to adjust the size and everything, but right now it's all good. So then we can close that up, and then in server script service, you just want to add a script. You can call this. Just call the script. We could call it suit system. Call it suit system, and then in starter players, starter character scripts, you want to add a local script, and you want to call it. You can just call it information. And there, now that's good. Now we can start with this information setting. So in information, we're gonna add the variables. Just wanna organize it. Variables. Local player equals game dot function. Sorry, game dot players. I'm used to function. Players dot local player, and then local child character is player dot character or player dot character added, and we're gonna do wait, and then local humanoid equals character, wait for child, and then humanoid. There we go. And then what we're gonna add is the service. Local UIS equals game get service. How do we need that? Oops. User input service, and then local, what is it? SS equals game dot get service server storage. That's gonna reference to the server storage system. User input services. It's not here. It's not. It's like not in this. And then local reps equals game get service. And then we're going to refer to the replicated storage. So after we did the services, and now we're going to do the events. Local events equal reps wait for child events. That means we're referencing to the event folder to send the suit. And then local send suit. My fault, guys. Capitalize that. Suit event. Local send suit event equals event dot send suit. There we go. My fault. This is underlined, so it's actually events, not event. And then once we're done with that, we're just gonna the checks. It's gonna check for called suit equals false, because we want that false. And then we're just gonna add the functions. So local function send suit local functions. It's only saying that because we haven't added the end thing yet. If not called suit, then oh no. Just gonna there we go. If not called suit, then called suit equals true. And then we're gonna send suit event fire server. So that's gonna tell it to do it. And that's that. And now we're gonna work on the events. Like this was just what to do to the events. Now we're gonna program the events. UIS dot input began connect function, and I'm just gonna delete that function input, space chatting, and then we're gonna add end. There we go. And we're gonna put if not chatting, then if input dot key code equals enum dot key code dot g. You have to put it in capitals work. Then send suit, obviously. Okay, so let me give you a rundown. This is the variables of, it's just a variable. So like if we put player, it's, if I said local player, if I put like player right here, then we refer to that player equals this. So that would work. Same thing with this. This is literally what local means. And that event, this is just the event of telling it what to do. The check, like it checks it if call suit is false, and if this call suit is false, then it's gonna fire the server to do that. It's gonna tell the server that it's false, and then it's gonna set it to true. And then if we click G, it's gonna send the suit to you. So now we can just go back to the suit system, and yeah, we can work on that. This is a little what is it? This might take a little while. So then I'm just gonna do what we did. So we're gonna do service, just like we did. We're just gonna copy it, put it there, and then we're gonna do other variables that we didn't add. Local suits folder equals ss wait for child suits. Once we wait for child suits. Hang on, guys. Hang on real quick. Please bear with me. I just want to double check something. That's it. Alright. We're good. I just wanted to see. So, suits. And then what we're going to do is local suit 1 equals suits folder dot suit events, and then for the events we're just going to add local event equal reps wait for child and events local send suit event equals events dot send suit, and then we're gonna do local function send suit player. Then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna add player inside, and then don't mind the red. Actually, don't mind the red. It's nothing. Local character equals player dot character, and then we're gonna add another local clone suit. So it's actually like it's gonna clone the suit that we just put into server storage, and the suit is gonna clone it. That's what it's gonna do. Clone suit equals suit 1. So like if you wanted to add more suits, like different ones, you would just like copy this and reference back to not suit 1, but like suit 2 and stuff. But you would have to create another variable for it. Suit 1, and then you would obviously clone it. And that's done. Clone suit dot parent equals character. Okay, now this is just going, so now we're just gonna make the welds and stuff for for I in pairs. Oops. Clone suit get children do if I is a, and then we're gonna add base part, then spawn function, and spawn function, and then local AP equals instance dot new. Oops, there we go. It says be lowercase. Align position, and then outside I local attachment 0 equals instance dot new attachment I local attachment 1 equals instance dot new instance dot new, and then we're gonna add attachment, and then nothing, just leave it like that. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to continue referencing attachment. We're gonna reference attachment 1 dot parent equals character, find first child I dot name, and then I dot name, and then I dot anchored equals false, I dot can collide equals false, and then AP dot attachment 0 equals attachment 0, and then AP dot attachment 1 equals attachment 1. And then we're gonna add a while true do, or else the game will get laggy. And this is going to wait. I'm gonna check something real quick. Okay, wait, you could add 0.3 seconds. And then if I dot position dot character Hang on, guys. Position. Alright, guys, I am sorry. This is not the dot. That is a little asterisk, which means multiplication. Character. Find first child. And then we're going to call it I dot name. And then we're going to do dot position. And then dot magnitude, and then less than 3. Then we're going to create a weld. Local weld equals instance dot new. Oops, I keep on capitalizing it. New. Weld, and then we're gonna take that up, comma, and then I, to reference I, and then weld, weld dot part 0 equals I, and then weld dot part 1 equals character dot, not dot, find first child, I, comma, name, I dot name, there we go. And then what we're going to do is AP dot enabled, AP dot enabled equals false. We're going to do AP destroy, and then attachment 1 destroy. Then we're going to do attachment 0 destroy. And then actually we might just leave this empty, and then add like a break between that, and add a break between that, and put wait to do that. And then what we're going to do is we are going to do the send suit event dot on server event connect function player will send suit. So then we're going to do send suit underscore player and we're going to print suit loaded. So let's see what's wrong with this. expected assignment. Alright. Alright, then just delete that and then put 0.2 in there. Okay, that should do it. I just want to recheck everything. Okay. Okay. That's good, and now let's test it. Okay, this works. Nice. So now that we know it works, this is now floating to the body. So if we were to reset a character, the pieces would just be now floating, but they're gone. So like, there, now it just like goes to the system where my body is. So then we would put weight. Let's see what happens if I was to do this. Yeah, that stops it from working. That's what happens. So let's just put it back. Let's go check out the service restore, service that suit, and there you go. Okay, now we just click play, and then now we see if that weight actually did anything. And then we're just gonna call the suit, and it flies right to us. Now what we want, so I'm just gonna like check what happened back there, and then what we're gonna do is I will be right back. Figure out one problem. So the thing is, like, this was right here, it was hanging in the middle, so you just want to bring that back to line 28, so it matches that, and then you want to delete whatever's in here, and then right here you want to click enter, and you want to add wait 0.5 seconds. So what that will do is once you call the suit, the pieces will fly to you, but it will wait 0.5 seconds before it sends you every piece. You can what is it? Change it 0.5 to any time. Like, it welded one, and then the others are just hanging. I'm gonna go figure out what happened. Back, so I don't know what the problem was, but I fixed it. So I will leave this script down in the comment section. So yeah, I don't know what I did wrong. But yeah, now I will leave it down in the comment section, and let's check it out. Suit calling system. So as we can see, we just called it, and we called the suit, and everything is welded. But as you can see, we don't have helmet, so that's really easy fix. You just want to go to your server storage, your suit, and you see where it says helmet. You want to change that to head, and so it actually thinks of it as a part that will go to you. So then, as you can see, we can just do this. Went the wrong way. As you can see, that helmet now flies to us, and it attaches right onto our head. And this is really sick because it attaches properly, right, like it needs to. I will leave the script down in the comments below, so don't worry about that. As you can see, it's nice, pivoted. You can create your own. I don't know if it'll work, but it might. I like how the suit the knees are, when you jump, they're not like whoa, they're not like, what is it? So as we can see, my knees right here are like little, what is it, like, they're not connected together. Like as you can see, there's like a little gap in the, what is it, in the suit. So if I was to go all the way back here, the suit would all fly to you. This is exactly what we want. I've been wanting this. I know you guys have been wanting this, definitely. And then the max isn't come, but that's okay. Let's try if we, let's see if we named it head, it would come. If we named it suits and then mask. So the mask, we called it head. Let's see if it would work. Okay, so we just want to see if it works. I don't think it worked. Yeah, it didn't work, but that's alright. Doesn't matter. I will try fixing that later. I will do the next tutorial on flying and adding a repulsor. I mean, don't expect much. I barely made this. I spent a few weeks working on it. It was hard, so yeah. I had really fun making this tutorial for you guys. It was really fun experimenting how we can make iron battlegrounds like in real life. That was actually really fun. And yeah, if you like this video and you like what you were seeing, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and tell your friends about my channel and stuff. And I will see you in the next one. 2-in-1 combo.